Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an omelet in a kettle. This clever technique is fantastic for those times when you need a quick, hot meal but have limited kitchen access. We'll walk through each step, ensuring your omelet turns out perfectly cooked and delicious. It's a surprisingly simple process that uses just a few basic items you likely already have. Get ready to transform your breakfast routine with this innovative approach to cooking eggs. For your kettle omelet, start by whisking 2 large eggs in a bowl. Add about 1 tablespoon of milk or water for extra fluffiness, along with a pinch of salt and pepper. Now, for the fun part, incorporate your favorite finely chopped fillings, like cheese, ham, or spinach. Pour this mixture into a strong, heat-safe, freezer-style plastic bag. Seal it tightly, pushing out all the excess air to ensure it cooks evenly and stays submerged. Now it's time to cook. Carefully place your sealed bag of egg mixture into the electric kettle. Fill the kettle with cold water, ensuring the bag is fully submerged. Close the lid and turn on the kettle. Allow the water to boil for about 10 to 12 minutes. You'll notice the eggs firming up inside the bag. The exact cooking time might vary slightly, so keep an eye on it to achieve your desired consistency. Once cooked, carefully remove the hot bag from the kettle using tongs or a fork. Be cautious, as the bag and its contents will be very hot. Open the bag and gently slide your freshly made omelet onto a plate. It should come out easily, perfectly shaped and ready to eat. Feel free to add any extra toppings like fresh chives or a dash of hot sauce. Enjoy your surprisingly simple and delicious kettle omelet right away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.